Racing just started. We have Pandora. First to show quickness at the start. In the middle portion comes Maragul. Down on the inside, Roadrunner. Rosig comes next. Getting the wide strip is Bullish Dream as they make the first turn. And going along for the first turn, we have Roadrunner, Vidaral. Next on line now is Maragul, Pandora, Bullish Dream, while Rosig is in behind them as they swing. Down the back, we have Maragul moving up on the outside. Bullish Dream, Pandora in the middle, Roadrunners down on the inside, while Rosig still in behind them, half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Bullish Dream by about a neck. Down on the inside is Pandora. Next on line is Maragul. Moving up on the outside is Rosig, while entry number 1, Roadrunner now in behind them. And at the far turn, we have Pandora moving up down on the inside, Maragul. Next on line is Bullish Dream. Then here comes Rosig now closing in, while Roadrunner still in behind them, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pandora this time by about 3 lengths. Driving back in second is Maragul. Bullish Dream moving up on the outside. Rosig then followed over by Roadrunner with about 150 meters more to run. We have Pandora this time by about 4 lengths. Bullish Dream in second. Rosig is on the outside, and finally it's Pandora second, Bullish Dream. Then comes Rosig, Maragul, and Roadrunner.